So please all of you write the excretory system. Arun Karthik and respond here. The excretory system of human beings consist of human beings consist of mainly what are that?
Two kidneys,
Two kidneys, comma, two kidneys,
ureter,
two ureters, comma, bladder. This bladder also we can call it as what? Urinary bladder.
urinary bladder,
Urethra. Bladder and urethra. These are the main organs which is involving in our human excretory system. Do you understand, all of you? This human excretory system for what purpose? For excreting which products, Ra? For excreting
urea, excess water.
liquid wastage which has been
Yes, sir.
yes or no? Which has been
Yes, sir.
which has been used for continuously excreting the liquid wastage produced in our bodies. Now, so let's start this process. So now you will
Yes, sir.
let us start with our excretory system. Start with the first organs. What is the main organs? What is
Kidney.
the main organs? Two kidneys. Yes or no? So these two kidneys are looks like a water. Can you able to say what is the shape of these two kidneys? They are similar to.
God cells.
Is it yes or no? They are the bean shape. Yes or no? So that is what
Yes, sir.
you remember. The kidneys are bean shaped organs towards the back of our body, just above the wrist. So you can observe this picture, how these kidneys are present. Just above the
Sir,
wrist,
it is in green color.
not in green color. They are normally in
Sir,
the
you said.
not in green color. Who said green color?
Sir, I thought you said. So I heard like it's.
Nothing. So remember. So what is this? The first main organs of our excretory system of human beings are kidneys. So the kidneys are the what? Bean-shaped organ.
Bean-shaped organ.
All of you write the first point. Bean-shaped organs towards the back of our body. Is it front or back? Ra? In this picture you can observe. Back of our body, just above the wrist. Correct or not? Above the wrist. That is what you have to write it down. Please write. The kidneys are the bean-shaped organs. The kidneys are the bean-shaped organs. Kidneys are the bean-shaped organs. Towards the back of our body. Towards the back of our body. Just above where? Just above.
Wrist.
Just above wrist. W-I-S-T. Wrist. Full stop. Any doubt? Anybody still here? Now.
Yes, sir.
If you consider Pranav, if you consider Dileepan, everybody. We have how many pair of kidneys? Two pair of kidneys.
One, sir.
Always by birth itself we used to get two pair of kidneys. In later, if any damage will happen, or else if kidney will fail, only you may have run with one kidney, or else the kidney transplantation will do. Is it yes or no? You may remember.
Transplant.
Transplantation.
Yes, sir.
So everybody, if you remember,
Yes, sir.
every person has two kidneys. So the blood in our body is constantly and continuously passing through these kidneys only. So because these kidneys are the filters of liquid wastage produced by our body is continuous. So every person has two kidneys and the blood in our body is constantly passing through our kidneys. So here we have two arteries. You can see one artery and one vein. How can you able to see, all of you? We have one artery and one vein. Yes or no? Please tell me.
Yes,
What
sir.
is vein called as?
Yes, sir.
Called as? Understanding. Renal vein, or else we can call it as kidney vein, and renal artery. Also we can call it kidney artery. Let me see who will speak. We have one artery and one vein, which will carry basically opposite to the function of arteries and veins. In heart, one artery will carry deoxygenated blood and one vein will carry oxygenated blood. What is that? In heart.
Pulmonary artery.
Actually, pulmonary artery, they must carry the oxygenated blood, but it is opposite to the artery's function. And pulmonary artery. Pulmonary artery will carry which one, Ra? Deoxygenated blood. Is it yes or no?
Deoxygenated blood.
Yes, sir.
Deoxy. OXY deoxygenated. Deoxygenated blood to the heart. Same way, pulmonary vein will carry what?
Oxygenated blood.
Oxygenated blood.
Oxygenated blood cell.
So this is what only the difference. Now here kidneys also, remember, we have one vein and one artery. Very, very important, all of you. So many will get confused. So here, can you able to observe this dark color one, a black color one?
Yes, sir.
Please tell me. This dark color one, which is looks like a cylinder. This is called as renal artery. What we should call pronunciation? Renal. What is that?
Renal.
Renal artery.
Renal artery.
Renal artery.
It is called as kidney artery, which will bring good blood or bad blood. Anybody? Good blood or bad blood?
Bad blood.
Bad blood. All of you should remember.
Bad blood.
Understanding a poisonous substances, the blood which contains a poisonous substances, or else we can say dirty blood. Very, very, very important. Do you understanding, all of you? So the dirty blood has been brought by which one, Ra? Renal artery to the kidney.
Renal artery.
All of you, that is what you have to remember. So as we know, blood is constantly passing through our kidneys. So the renal artery, or also we can call it as what? Kidney artery. Kidney artery
Kidney artery.
brings in the dirty blood which contains waste substances into the kidneys. Please all of you write the point. What is the second point? We have two kidneys. Everybody is having two kidneys. That is what our first point. Correct or not? Which is just, they are
Yes,
the
sir.
bean-shaped organs which is present back,
Towards our back of our body.
just above the wrist. In this picture, you can observe the person is having a pair of kidneys just above the wrist. Understand? Now, here, some artery called as what? What is that artery name called as? Renal artery.
Renal artery.
Renal artery. Or else we can call it as kidney artery, which is bringing which blood? Dirty blood, which contains waste substances into the kidneys. Please write it. The renal artery, full stop on second point. Renal artery. Any doubt, anybody, please ask me. Renal artery. Renal artery. Or we can call it as what? Bracket you can write. What is that called
Kidney
as?
artery.
Kidney
Kidney
artery.
artery.
Kidney artery brings in the dirty blood, brings in the dirty blood, brings in the dirty blood, which contains what? Why I should call it as dirty blood, Kevin? Which contains waste substances.
Waste substances.
This is what you have to say. Dirty blood, which will brings dirty blood containing waste substances. Containing what?
Waste
Waste
substances.
substances. Waste substances.
Waste substances. Waste substances. Waste substances into the kidneys. Into the kidneys or out from the kidneys? Into the kidneys.
Into the kidneys.
That is what you
Into the kidney.
into the kidney. Next, if you'll observe, what will happen? Now blood is reached to the kidneys. Now kidneys we have here, two bean-shaped kidneys are present. So the functioning of these kidneys is, what is the use of this pair of kidneys in our body is, these kidneys remove the whatever the waste substance is present in this blood, means in the sense of the poisonous substances. Like what is the poisonous substances? Example,
Urea.
Yeah.
excess water.
Ammonia.
Excess water, urea, ammonia, everything same. Understand?
Urea.
Excess water from the blood, excess water from blood. Understand?
Blood.
Next, also, it will remove the waste salt, other waste salt, that is what in the, and excrete them in the form of yellowish liquid. They will excrete what? The functioning of this kidneys is to remove the poisonous substances like urea, excess water from blood, and other waste salts and
Waste salt.
waste salts. Understanding? Other waste salts which are removed from our blood, from the blood, and excrete them in the form of which liquid? Excrete them in the
Yellowish liquid.
Yellowish liquid.
one more liquid is yellowish. What is that liquid? Can you able to say? Already I have taught you. What is that liquid? Yellowish liquid. Special kind of system. We have studied along with the blood circulatory
Sir,
system,
lymph, sir, lymph.
lymphatic system, and the lymph is the fluid which is present in which color? Ra? Yellow color.
Yellow.
Yellow.
Yellow color, sir.
Kevin, Arun Karthikeyan, Hasini.
Sir.
Understanding. So lymph is the liquid which is present, lymphatic liquid and lymphatic transportation which has been yellowish color. Same way here, our kidneys also produce the yellowish liquid by separating the poisonous or unwanted substances from our blood like urea, excess water from the blood and other waste salts from our blood. You understand all of you? That is what the function of our kidneys. Please all of you write it. Next point. For one more question, it will come, Ra. By the time you have to write it. What is the functioning of kidney? What is the major role of kidneys? What is the major role? Kidneys are, what is that? They will remove the
Removes urea, excess waste from blood and
urea, excess water from blood, and other waste salts. Do you understanding? And they will produce yellowish liquid. Understand? This yellowish liquid is only we used to call it as what? What is this yellowish
Urine.
liquid called as? Urine. Whatever the urine we have every day, that is what we should call as yellowish liquid. Do you understand?
Yellowish liquid.
That is why you can say, if you are getting a toilet, I am saying you, urine, don't store in our stomach. Whenever you are getting, you just need to send out from our body. Because if it is stored in our, this is not the textbook, I am saying you generally. If it is stored in this urinary bladder, it will contain so many poisonous substances. Is it yes or no? So many even understanding. So many unwanted substances, they will cause the infection in our urinary bladder. That is why if you are getting toilet, somebody I have observed, they will even keep calm even 1 hour, 2 hours also. Emergency situation, something. Emergency and all okay. But normal situations and all, if you are getting urine, immediately have to send out from our body because it will cause infection in our urinary bladder. It contains so many poisonous substances. That is what. Write it. Third point. What is the third point, Ra? The function of kidneys. The function of kidneys is to remove the function of kidneys is to remove the poisonous substances. The function of kidneys is to remove the poisonous substances, urea, excess water from the blood, you just write excess water from the blood, you don't write excess water, and other waste salts from the blood, and excrete them in the form of a yellowish liquid. Called as, what is that called as, Ra? Urine. All of you excrete the yellowish liquid called as urine. All of you, do you understand or not? Yes or no? Now,
yes, sir.
for easy understanding, you please write a flow chart. What you will write? 2 kidneys. What is it happening? 2 kidneys. Understanding? First, we have to write above. Something we should write it. What is that artery name? What is that artery name? Renal artery.
Artery.
Renal artery or kidney artery will bring what? Waste blood. Understanding?
Dirty blood.
Waste blood or dirty blood into the 2 kidneys, and 2 kidneys what they will do? They will converting into the good blood. Understanding? Or dirty blood, nice understanding. Remove the good blood and they will make it into the good blood. So by what? By removing the products like unwanted poisonous, like removing urine, understand, removing urea, excess water and other salts, and they will form a yellowish liquid called as what? Yellowish liquid called as what? Urine. That is what you have to write it. So removing of urea, waste products, waste excess salts and water, and finally they will make it what? A liquid called as urea.
Urine.
That is what, like flow chart you have to write one by one. These all the things. So till here, any doubt? Anybody please ask me. So now I am saying that the renal artery will bring the dirty blood to the kidneys, and the kidneys will filter it, and they will remove the unwanted substances, and they will make the liquid called as yellowish liquid called as urine. Now, how it will happen? Let us discuss in detail. That is what our main concept. So now, if you observe here, these two kidneys, what they will do means they will clean our blood by filtering it to remove unwanted substances which is present like urea, excess water and other salts in the blood. Now, this clean blood, how it is excreted, very in detail we'll study in the next class. That is what inside, internal structure of kidney, I will explain you inside. How as we know that one kidney is made up of how many neurons? Nephrons, not neurons, nephrons.
1 million.
Million.
1 million
nephrons.
made up of.
1 million.
This
1 million
main
nephrons.
role in filtering of this one. That is why the internal structure of kidney is even more important than this one, which we'll study in the next class. Now you observe here. So the blood has been filtered by these kidneys. So now the cleaned blood after removing all the things, the cleaned blood has been pumped back by what? It is carried away from the kidneys by the vein called as, what is that vein called as? Renal. What we should call? Renal vein, or we should call it as kidney vein. All of you, do you remember all of you? Yes or no? Please tell me. That is what the fourth point. Please write it. The cleaned blood is carried away from the kidneys. The cleaned blood is carried away from the kidneys. The cleaned blood is carried away from the kidneys. The cleaned blood is carried away from the kidneys by whom? By whom? Renal.
Renal.
The kidney. Please all of you write it. Any doubt? Dilipan, respond me. Understand all of you? No confusion. Renal artery will bring the dirty blood, and renal vein will carry the clean blood. Means away from the kidney, renal vein, and towards to the kidneys, renal artery. So this white color one you can see, not shaded black color. This is called as what? What we should call? Renal vein, which will
Renal vein.
cleaned blood from the kidneys. All of you please remember that. Now, after this clean blood is transported back away from the kidneys, now a yellowish liquid is produced. Is it yes or no? That is what we should call as what? The yellowish fluid, yellowish liquid called as
Urine.
Urine.
that or not?
Urine.
If you'll observe, this urine is produced in both the kidneys, and this both the kidneys has been connected by the one system called as a storage tank called as
Urinary bladder.
Urinary bladder.
two tube-like structures. What is this tube-like structures called as? Ureter.
Ureter.
So you have to remember that. So the kidneys, the cleaned blood has been carried away from the kidneys by the renal vein, and here if you observe the ureters, the two ureters, you can say the ureters called as excretory tubes. What we should call this one as? Excretory tubes, excretory tubes, which are present where? Each two tubes we have. One is coming from right kidney, one is coming from left kidney. Correct or not? All of you? Yes or no? So these excretory tubes, one from each kidney opens into a one system called as, what is that system called as?
Urinary bladder.
Urinary bladder.
Urinary bladder. That is what you have to remember. So they will bring this unwanted substance, which is called as yellowish liquid known as urine, from the kidneys into the urinary bladder. That is what our fifth point. Please all of you write it. Write it all of you. The ureters also called as what? Bracket, what we should call?
Excretory tube.
Excretory tubes. The ureters, bracket you write excretory tubes. How many are there? One or two?
Two.
Two
sir.
from each kidney. The excretory tubes, one from each kidney, one from each kidney, one from each kidney, one from each kidney, comma, open into urinary bladder. Open into a
Urinary bladder.
the unwanted liquid is transported into the urinary bladder. Do you understand, all of you? Yes or no? So that is only called as urine. So this urine is stored where? Where this is stored? The urine is stored in the urinary bladder. Do you understand, all of you? Urine is stored in this urinary bladder. That is why we
Urinary
can
bladder.
the storage tank of urine. Understand, all of you? Please write it. So what is the ureters? What is the use of ureters? What is the functioning of ureters? Anybody?
So they carry the urine in the urinary bladder.
It carries urine from the kidneys to the bladder. Do you understand, all of you? That is what the use of this transporter. Understanding this excretory tubes. What is the use of them? They will carry the urine from the kidneys to the urinary bladder. Understand, all of you? Now, this urinary bladder, the urine is stored inside this bladder, and this bladder is a very big, understanding, very big bag-like structure which stores urine till the time we go to the toilet. Actually, it should be always produced, but we should not continuously pour the toilet, correct? So whenever we are going to the toilet, till the time which has been stored in this bladder, that is why this is called as storage tank of urinary system. Do you understand, all of you?
Yes, sir.
No. So once we'll go to the toilet, what will happen? The urine is, understand, is come out from our body by a body part called as what? Urethra. Understand, all of you? So the whatever the urine is collected in this bladder is passed out from the body through the urethra. What is that? Through the urethra. That is what you have to remember it. Please, all of you write last point. Now the urine is stored where? Urine is stored in the
Urinary bladder.
Urinary bladder.
understanding the functioning of now. Arun Karthikeyan will say, what is the functioning of this ureters? What is the functioning of this ureters? Akshaya, Anusri, what is the functioning of these ureters? They will bring the urine from the kidneys, urine from the kidneys to the
To the urinary bladder.
Urinary bladder. Urinary bladder.
Yeah, Dina. Actually, it can hold even half liter also, extreme cases, Dina. But by that time, you can see emergency. Few times automatically it will leak out from our body also. Understand, Dina? Maximum can store even half liter, 500 ml also. But more than that, if you don't try, because by that time, it will lead to the definitely so many harmful problems. Okay, write it. Which stores, right? The urine which is stored in the bladder, the urine which is stored in the bladder, the urine which is stored in the bladder, passed out from the body by what is the organ? Passed out from the body by the organ of body through the urethra. Through the urethra, U-R-E-T-H-R-A, urethra. Spellings is must. Urethra. This is what we should call as excretory system. Understanding the human excretory system, or also we can call it as what? Human excretory system are also called as urinary system. Both names are common. Human excretory system. Human excretory system, or also we can call it as what? Urinary. So both 100% this question is most important question. This diagram, they will ask you to draw the urinary system of human body or excretory system of human body and represent the names. So your textbook having only this inner part. Is it yes or no? Have you noticed it? Only this inner part we have. Correct or not? But no outer layer. If you'll draw outer layer, it is even more beautiful. Have you noticed it? Yes or no? Please tell me. Understand? And you may remember, it is just above the wrist also. So how we can show? If we'll draw the body, you can observe that this is what our wrist. Correct or not? Yes or no? So it is very easy. It is not a difficult.
Yes, sir.
all of you must learn this diagram only and perfectly how to draw. You can see straight lines, and you can observe in a YouTube and somewhere how to draw this kidneys easily, step by step. You have some videos. You have to learn that video, or else you have to practice your own. Exactly this picture 10 times. Definitely will get it. Have you taken the screenshot of this picture, all of you? Yes. So if you have done that, then with this I will stop the today's class. Then tomorrow we'll continue from here. Thank you, all of you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you so
Yes,
much.
sir.
Yeah. Bye.
Thank
Yes,
you.
sir.